Hey guys, I think this is a part 3 of my homemade foundry. It's still dirty, I haven't cleaned it, but as soon as it's cured I'll clean it up. So here we go. Here's my thermometer. Okay. Have about 130 degrees in there with just a 75 watt light bulb. Hold on. Take this light bulb out. What I'll do is YouTube, Engineer Prepper here. So this is part 3 of my Foundry update. Today I am going to test the Harbor Freight tool torch in the Foundry, but I'll tell you this right now, guys. It doesn't work because it chokes out. So let me explain along the way the results. But first, I tried to do this video during the daytime, but you couldn't see the flame as well, so that's why I waited till evening to do this. Alright, so here's the thing. My whole purpose was to have this adapter in the Foundry, so I could be able to take the torch in and out whenever I need it for other purposes. But here's the torch, and I guess the flame tube, I want to say it's about 4 inches long. And so the first test is I'm going to just go ahead and put it straight in. Okay, so it's right there. So lighting it up is fine. Oops. Oops. Okay. So you can see it works great. But when I apply more flame, it does that. Oops. Get that out of the way. Okay. So you're wasting a lot of gas, and you're not getting any of the flame. Here, I'll put it up here. And there it went out. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, and that's with the open lid. Now once I close the lid, you'll see it. See how much the gas is coming out? So it's not really doing anything other than filling the tank with gas. So I turned it off and it's still going in there. Just do this one more time with the lid closed. I'll open it up real quick. Okay. Close the lid. See that I haven't done anything, and see how it wants to go out. Let's go up a little higher. Increase the I mean, you can hear it. It's just wasting fuel. They're just shoving it in there and not producing anything. Open it up. And it's out. So it's choking out. So, just to test, open it up, just to test, maybe I thought I would have to add the adapter. So I was going to put it in here. There it is in there. So what I wanted to do is have this adapter here in place so it can hold the torch whenever I need it, you know. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Same thing. So it just peters out. It just goes into gas. The other way I was testing that somewhat worked is by pulling it out and having an air gap there. And that works for a little bit. But you'll hear this roaring thing. And however, when I go higher, it peters out as well. And that's with the top open. Now, with the top closed, and this hole is about 5 inches in diameter. Okay, so here we go. Nice blue flame on the exhaust, on the exhaust part of it, but there's nothing inside. So open it up, and that's dangerous having that like that as it is. Does get a cool little swirl action in there. Let's see if I can get it going. See, now that I got it closer, see how it turned off? It's still going there, but nothing's coming out. See? It's still going there. And it blows up. You get some heat, but nothing to the effect. Look at that. Nothing? Blue flame. Yeah, I'll cover the nothing. Blue flame. I'll show you that I'm what we want is that's what we want. So turn that off. Go ahead and put that there for a second. Very cool. So, after deciding, I went ahead and purchased the parts that I needed to make the flame tube. You know, don't change what works. Just go ahead and do what works, what everybody, all the blacksmiths are using. No need to reinvent the wheel. So, I got the black pipe, the reducer, a couple of the brass fittings. If you want, I could post the parts list down on my description, but that's it for now. The Foundry is actually all cured and ready to go, and now I need to find me a steel pipe, 1/4-inch wall maybe, so I could do my canister and start melting aluminum. So I found one today at work at a little scrap area, but since in the scrap area I'm gonna have to ask permission for it. I'm sure they'll give it to me, but I'd rather ask for it than get in trouble. So I might use or either buy another one of these so I could be able to use the needle valve and the connection in the hose, and maybe buy the cheaper one of the torches so I could get this connection from here to the other torch that we're going to build together. So that way I could be able to regulate at that end and you know, get it going. Anyway, guys, let me know if you have any questions or concerns or comments. Remember, please thumbs up if you like these videos. That way I know you guys are watching them and liking them, and or comment below so I'll know, or if it's too boring or what. Anyway, let me know. Talk to you guys later. Bye. The blue flame dancing in there. Now I'm gonna quick thing. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. You'll see it turn orange, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and it's still going. Oh, there you go. That's way too much gas in there. I'll turn it off and watch it still go. Try. Kind of cool, actually. So you see it peters out. Alright. Alright, here's the other thing. With modification, maybe you can have it run out from out here a little bit and just feed it in, and it'll work great. I can't do those two hands, but let me see. Let me see here. Way too much. That's all you really need. So you can see what I'm talking about. If you have it out here a little bit, it'll work okay. So you'll need to stand and be safe about it. So nice and orange and pretty good. So it can work. It just it's not my preference. Now when I shove it in there, it almost went out. Wants to go out when I put it in. Ceramic. Alright guys, that was the other test I wanted to do. Show you that it can be done, just, you know, not in a safe manner. Alright, talk to you guys later.